In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a seller account on Wayfair 2025. We'll start by getting to the right place, open your preferred browser, and search for Wayfair Seller Sign In. In the results, look for Wayfair's official seller or partner portal. Once you're on the site, you'll see an option to begin your application. Click Apply to get started. The first part of the application asks for your contact information. Enter accurate details for the person who will manage the account. Use a monitored inbox so you don't miss follow-ups, and double-check everything for typos. Consistency matters here because Wayfair will use this information to contact you about onboarding and verification. Next, you'll enter your business information. Provide your legal business name and the key details that describe who you are and what you sell. Include your business address and your website if you have one. Make sure the information matches your official records. If you sell specific product categories, describe them clearly so Wayfair understands your catalog at a glance. You'll then move on to logistical information. This is where you explain how you fulfill orders, share where your inventory ships from, your typical processing times, and any carrier relationships you rely on. Be realistic. Setting achievable expectations helps you protect your seller metrics later. If you have multiple warehouses, indicate that clearly. Wayfair will ask whether you can ship directly to customers, also known as dropship. Dropshipping means you receive the order and ship the item straight to the end customer rather than sending inventory to a marketplace warehouse. Choose the option that aligns with your current capabilities. It's better to answer honestly than to overcommit and risk delays. You'll also see a question about accepting returns. Think about your existing processes, like where returns will be sent and how you handle items that come back. Select the response that reflects how your operation works today. Transparency here reduces friction in customer service later. The form will ask you to select the top online retailers you currently sell with. This helps Wayfair gauge your experience. Choose the platforms that truly represent your current channels. You'll be prompted to share online catalog links, add URLs that showcase your products, such as your website's catalog pages or public listings. Make sure these links are accessible without a login and clearly display product details and imagery. When everything looks good, click Apply Now. Give your answers a quick review for accuracy before you submit. After that, keep an eye on your inbox for updates from Wayfair about next steps.